Hello! So, for this video, pag-uusapan natin yung built-in app ni Zapier, which is Schedule. So, si Schedule ay isang built-in app na nag-trigger para mag-automate ng workflows on your timetable. So, Schedule triggers your Zap on a specific recurring basis. For example, you can have it trigger Zap at 8 a.m. every Thursday. So, perfect to for sending around a reminder before your weekly team meeting. Okay? So, check natin ngayon kung paano siya i-gawin at yung mga use cases. So, ayun. So, ito yung use case natin. So, schedule. We're gonna send a greeting and meeting link every Wednesday at 9 a.m. So, ito yung sa Canvas. So, ito yung si schedule. I-trigger siya every Wednesday at 9 a.m. And then, punta doon sa action, magsisend ng greeting and meeting link. Alright? So, ito siya. So, dito sa setup, pipiliin nyo lang si schedule. Ayan. Pipili kayo dito kung anong gusto nyo. Every day, every hour, every month. In this case, every week. Kasi nga, weekly meeting siya, no? Tapos, pipiliin natin, sabi dito, Wednesday at 9 a.m. So, pili tayo dito, Wednesday, yan. Tapos, 9 a.m. Lalagay natin dyan. Continue lang. And then, yan. Tapos, dun sa Slack, yun, choose lang kayo ng event. If you want to, like, send a message. And send a channel message. Send nyo lang. Pili kayo dyan. Which channel? Social, let's say, or sales. Dito nyo lagay yung message nyo. Test message, ganyan. And then, ito, kayo na lang maglagay nyan. Continue, and then, ayun, dire-diretso na yan doon. Magsasend na yan doon sa Slack channel nyo. Okay? So, yun po yung schedule by Zapier. Again, maganda siya for if you have a schedule that you have to send like weekly or daily. So, you can automate that para hindi na kayo magahol no, like, okay, gantong oras kailangan ka mag-send ng ganyan, iisa-isahin mo pa. So, ayun, ito yung pwede nyong gawin to automate it. One more reminder is that schedule uses the time zone set in your account. So, don't forget to verify that your account is set to the right time zone before publishing it. Okay? So, yun po. Check tayo next video. Salamat. Thank you.